Welcome back. Now that you are familiar with transforming JSON files into Parquet format, I would like you to take the JSON data which is in our payment type file and transform that into Parquet format and create an external table in our silver layer as well. So take this as an assignment, but if you get stuck, please come back to the video and I'll show you what I have done. Good luck. Welcome back. Hope you managed to successfully complete the assignment. If not, please follow along with me. I'll show you what I have done. As you can see here, I've created a new script and called it 11 and just create silver payment type. And I've done exactly the same as what I did previously, which is to drop the table if it already exists. And then we are creating the table with the location, pointing to the silver folder, and underneath we've got the payment type folder as well and the data out in Parquet file format. And I've got the select statement to get the data at using the open row set function. I said before I could use the select star from our view that we've created because in the bronze views we've also created a view for the payment type, which we call the VW_payment date. But instead I chose to use the open row set function, which is okay, but the choice is yours. You can choose what you want. And then I've written the select statement at the end, so let me run this through and it should create the table and get the data from the payment type file. So as you can see, the data looks as expected and that is from a silver table which is pointing at the Parquet file. So let me go to our container and let me do a refresh and I should see the payment type folder and there should be a Parquet file here as well. And as you can see, it is quite simple using CDAs to transform the data from JSON to Parquet. And that's the end of this session. I'll see you in the next one.